Stop holding in your sneezes. You could literally explode your own throat. Doctors have reported people tearing their throat lining from stifling a sneeze. A sneeze shoots air at 100 miles per hour. Block it, and the pressure has to go somewhere. That's somewhere. Your eyes, your ears, or even your brain. Yes, people have burst blood vessels in their eyes just from one trapped sneeze. One guy even ruptured his voice box just from holding it back. So next time, let it out. Do you hold sneezes in or blast the room like a cannon? Comment below and subscribe before your sneeze sneaks up on you.